Hey, Brittany.
Hey, Ryan.
What kind of templates are people asking for on the customer feedback board?
Seems like people are looking for templates for marketing agencies, SaaS companies, probably software, apps, technology.
That gives me a great idea. Goodbye, Brittany! Hi everybody, it's Ryan from the product team here at Waymark, and I am here today with one of our designers, Nicole. She works on the art direction for our templates, and Nicole, we've been working on a new collection. Do you want to tell us about it?
Sure. We've been working on the Innovator Collection. It's just about done, so you guys will be seeing the whole thing soon. But it's templates for technology companies. So marketers or apps or designers, anything tech focused was the goal for this whole collection.
We're seeing a lot of new things aesthetically for a Waymark template here. We're seeing sort of hardware making an appearance for the first time. Can you tell us a little bit about the look of these things?
Yeah, we wanted to show people's images in devices that we use every day. So there's a lot of laptops, a lot of phones, very tech feeling. Should be very
tech feeling.
Yes, should be very familiar.
Yeah. So these are going to be bold, bright colors. Now that you guys have seen a little bit of it, we're going to go and talk to one of our motion designers, Erin, and talk to you guys a little bit about how this thing has come to life. I'm sure you want to see it in motion too. So let's go have a chat. Hey, we're here with Erin on our motion team, and Erin, you are working on the Innovator Collection too. Could you tell us a little bit about what the process looks like once you get the art direction?
So usually we get like a set of script, brief, art direction, mood boards, and from those we get like a sense of the feel and pace of what we want for this. Since these are usually still images, we have to go out and do our own research and find some points of inspiration so that we can get what kind of motion we want in this.
What are some of the words that you want going through people's heads as they watch this template for the first time?
This template, it's more of a faster paced template. Everything sort of moves with each other and as one piece, and it's a little bit more flowy.
I think flowy is a good word. So I hope you guys feel the flow, enjoy it, and take a look. If we were to make some new templates. Goodbye, Brittany! What kind of templates are people asking for?
Are you actually recording this right now?
No, I'm just standing here.